Howdy folks, this is Jim from Livingston, Montana. Today is October 23rd of 2022, excuse me, and this is the first major snowstorm of the year up in this country. Yeah, she's really coming down. I've got about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 32 degrees Fahrenheit up here. All this fun kind of stuff. Yeah, Montana's one of these kind of states. If you don't like snow, don't move here. I kid you not. Matter of fact, today I was having some trouble with my furnace, so I spent half the morning working on it, and I got it going and everything. But this is the first major snowstorm of the year here. No big deal up in this country. Okay, well, stay warm wherever you're at, kids.